Did you know some people are pulling in six figures a year just by harnessing the power of ClickBank and JVZoo? Yeah, you heard that right. Six figures. And they're not some tech wizards or marketing gurus. They're everyday individuals, just like you and me. These platforms, they're not just digital hubs. They're treasure troves waiting to be explored. Today, I'm going to give you an insider's look into how it's all done. If ClickBank and JVZoo have been mere names to you until now, it's time to realize their game-changing potential. Imagine a world where you don't need to create a product, deal with customer complaints, or even manage inventory. Sound dreamy? That's affiliate marketing for you. Now, I've been around the block, and I've seen businesses, from startups to established ones, double, even triple their growth just by tapping into this. No magic, no gimmicks, just smart moves. And the best part? Platforms like ClickBank and JVZoo have made it even easier. They've laid out the entire buffet. All you gotta do is pick your dish. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The digital age has made the world smaller. Your audience isn't just in your neighborhood or city. They're global. And with affiliate marketing, you can reach them wherever they are, without the hefty advertising budgets. It's about leveraging existing products, tapping into established trust, and earning while you sleep. Look, I'm not just throwing words at you. I've been in the trenches. I've seen the results. If you're sitting there scratching your head thinking, is this really for me? Or can my business actually benefit from this? Trust me, it can. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. When you dive into the world of ClickBank, you're not just stepping into another online platform. You're immersing yourself in a digital powerhouse, meticulously crafted for businesses. What makes ClickBank stand out? Firstly, it's not just any marketplace. ClickBank prides itself on quality over quantity. Every product that finds its way here has been through a stringent vetting process. This ensures that businesses align themselves with only the best, reducing the risk of promoting subpar products that might tarnish their reputation. But it's not just about the quality. The sheer diversity of products on ClickBank ensures that no matter your industry or niche, there's something relevant for your audience. Whether you're into health, tech, self-help, or any other domain, ClickBank has got you covered. This flexibility is a boon for businesses, allowing them to adapt and cater to the ever-evolving needs of their audience. Beyond the products, ClickBank offers invaluable data-driven insights. With metrics like the Gravity Score, businesses aren't left guessing. They're equipped with tangible data that informs their strategies, ensuring every move is calculated and purposeful. It's not just about shooting in the dark. It's about making informed decisions that drive ROI. And let's talk about reach. ClickBank isn't confined to one region or country. It's global. This means businesses can tap into markets and audiences they might not have considered before. The world truly becomes your playground. For those who have their own online platforms, the seamless integration options that ClickBank offers ensure the user experience remains top-notch. It's about creating a consistent and professional journey for your audience. But perhaps one of the most standout features of ClickBank is its vast affiliate network. By being on ClickBank, businesses gain access to a motivated group of affiliates, ready and eager to promote their product. Think of it as having a dedicated marketing team, but without the overheads. The potential for passive income is another enticing aspect. Once you're set up on ClickBank, much of the operations, from transactions to customer queries and even returns, are handled by the platform. This frees up businesses to focus on what they do best, scaling and growing. Last, there's an undeniable credibility that comes with being associated with ClickBank. Its reputation in the affiliate marketing world is unparalleled, and a partnership with ClickBank is a clear signal to customers and affiliates alike that a business is serious. In a nutshell, ClickBank isn't just a tool, it's a strategic ally. It equips businesses with the resources, reach, and insights they need to not just survive, but thrive in today's digital landscape. If there's a secret weapon in the digital business world, ClickBank might just be it. You know, when I first stumbled upon JVZoo, I thought it was just another affiliate platform. But the deeper I dug, the more I realized it's a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Here's the lowdown. With JVZoo, the moment a sale is made through your link, you see that commission in your account. No waiting around for weeks or even months. It's instant. And if you're teaming up with someone for a promotion, JVZoo's adaptive payment system ensures everyone gets their rightful share automatically. No headaches, no disputes. But what truly sets JVZoo apart is its vast library of evergreen products. These aren't just flash-in-the-pan items. They're products that remain in demand, ensuring you've got a consistent stream of potential earnings. And when you pair that with their in-depth analytics, you're armed with insights into clicks, conversions, and customer behavior. It's like having a roadmap to refine your strategies in real time. Integration? JVZoo's got that covered too. Whether you're into email marketing, webinars, or any other tool, it fits right into the JVZoo ecosystem, making your efforts more streamlined. And let's not forget the quality of products on offer. JVZoo doesn't just let anyone in. They have a rigorous approval process, ensuring that what you're promoting is top-notch. For those looking to up their game, JVZoo's training resources are a treasure trove. From webinars to tutorials, there's always something to help you sharpen those affiliate marketing skills. So in essence, JVZoo isn't just about earning, it's about strategizing, optimizing, and building something long-term. Traffic. It's the engine that drives affiliate marketing. But not all traffic is created equal. Let's break it down. First, there's targeted traffic. This isn't just any random visitor. It's someone actively searching for what you're promoting. Imagine you're selling a fitness guide. Targeted traffic means reaching out to someone who's been Googling how to get fit or best fitness routines. It's precise, ensuring your efforts aren't wasted on the indifferent crowd. Now, the big question, free versus paid traffic. Here's the nitty-gritty. Free traffic. This is the organic crowd. They find you through search engines, social media shares, or maybe a blog post that you wrote 6 months ago. The advantage? It doesn't dent your wallet. Platforms like Google and Bing reward quality content, so if you're providing value, they'll push you up the ranks. But, and it's a big but, it's slow. SEO, for instance, is a long game. You're planting seeds, nurturing them, and waiting for them to sprout. Paid traffic. This is the express lane. You're essentially buying visibility. Platforms like Facebook ads or Google AdWords let you place your offer right in front of potential buyers. The upside? Speed and scale. If done right, you can see results within hours. The challenge? It's a science and an art. You're bidding on keywords, tweaking ad copies, and constantly optimizing for conversions. And yes, it costs money. But think of it as an investment. Every dollar spent is aimed at earning multiples in return. From my experience in the trenches of the affiliate world, here's a nugget. Balance is key. Use free traffic to build a foundation, a loyal audience. And when you're ready to scale, pump in the dollars and harness the power of paid traffic. It's not an either-or. It's about using each strategically to maximize your reach and revenue. We've delved deep into ClickBank and JVZoo, two powerhouses in the affiliate realm. They're more than just platforms. They're your launch pad to a universe of potential. It's not always about going big or going home. It's about finding the right fit for your vision. Dive in, experiment, and discover what resonates with you. Every decision, every hiccup, every triumph, it's all part of the process. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.